Ali Abdaal is one of the YouTubers that I really admire, impressed with the way how he convey his message through the YouTube channel, Ali Abdaal. And he had this book, Ali Abdaal, The Feel Good Productivity. I picked up this book as soon as he said it, messaged it in his YouTube. And the reason is that I really like the way how he teach about productivity, how to become better in learning, how to just do things well. This is what his forte is. And the reason I have this book here is that I want to share one concept that is still stick with me after reading this book for a while. As you know, setting goals are very important so that we know that what accomplishment that we wanted to get out of it. And better still, that accomplishment, if you can tie that with a pleasant emotion, it will bring much more impact. That is that you are going to be more committed in working on that goal. So setting the goal are very important. And in his book, he mentioned about the concept of two different kinds of goal. Sometimes we look at goal, we want it to be as specific as possible, a measurable goal, attainable, time-bound, the SMART goal. Fantastic, perfect, but to make it much more simple, he coined the goal into an input-based goal and goal. Input-based goal means that you could act upon it. For example, if you wanted to exercise, instead of say I want to reduce my weight to be 1 kg, and so you say that I want to do 1 push-up every day at 7 a.m. after I brush my teeth. So this is very clear that when you're going to do it, and it's input based. So the 1 rep of push-up is the input based. Or if you want to do a block write-up, you can say I want to sit in front of my PC for 5 minutes to write something. So input based goal. As for output based goal, it again is the output, which means that by the end of this month, I'm going to write a book. By end of the month, I'm going to reduce 1 kg of my weight. That is an output based goal. So both of these goals are important. However, it gives you some thought that what kind of goals that you wanted to set for yourself. Is it input based or output based? Then you are easier to craft out the goals that you want to have. And I'll say, don't make it too big, don't make it too small, but make it comfortable, and importantly, it must strike a good feeling within you when you set that goal for yourself. Alright, quick share on the book of productivity. If you like about productivity, you can check out this video that I shared here, that you can learn about it. The next time, I want to wish you, may the rest of your life be the best of your life. That's all. Bye bye.